What sports you play here?
We have football,
badminton,
basketball, volleyball,
Okay.
badminton, swimming, kho-kho, kabaddi,
Okay.
table tennis, and now we also have archery.
Archery. Oh, nice. So you have.
And archery in national.
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Oh, congratulations.
ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದು ಗುರುಪುತ್ರ. ನಾನು ಮೂಲತಃ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ. ನಾವು 2013ರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಮರ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಪ್ರಭು, ನಾವು ಹಿಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೌರರಿ ಪ್ರಭು, ಅವರಿಂದ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುಕುಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೀವಿ. ಗುರುಕುಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ 2013 to 17, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 4 years ಐ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. And now currently I am doing in Pune. I am doing the internship in IT company. And difference between here and EU ಕಾಲೇಜು, EU ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜು, ಯೋಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ICSC ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಅದು ಓದ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಚಲೋ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಾಥ್. ಮತ್ತು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಯೋಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದಿದೆ.
I am next year in January in 2025 I am going abroad for my PhD, and the difference between outer Gurukul, like outer city, and in our Gurukul is very like बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो difference ये कि the knowledge which we are getting here in a spiritual knowledge, it's not getting outside. So we are getting here both education plus spiritual knowledge.
Your name, please.
My name is Kridhay and I joined this year.
This year. आपका class?
I'm in 8th grade.
8th grade. Yours?
My name is Harshit and I joined before 2 years.
Before 2 years. And your grade, please?
8th.
8. Oh, both of you are 8th
Yeah,
class.
very nice.
6th and 7th. And so how did you come to join this
Yeah,
school?
my father is a disciple of Gaur Gopal Das, which many people know, and from that I came here.
Oh, you came here. So what is the process of admission here?
We have to do exam here.
Exam.
And in exam we have to pass that exam.
So what is the exam based on?
It's about general knowledge, mostly GK questions, and then you have to pass it and like whole system. is
About
there.
math, some subjects come like math, science,
Math,
English.
science.
Okay. And then like was there anything related to bhakti as well in the exam?
No,
No,
because
only-
many people don't do bhakti when they
Because
come
they are
here.
new,
Yes.
Oh, okay. So how did you like when your father said that you are going to join Gurukul? So what was your reaction like?
I was excited.
You were excited. Very nice.
First I was like, no, I don't want to go. But
Okay.
now like I feel interested.
You feel interested. So why were you excited? Like in the previous school, like what you are missing and what you are excited about to join here?
I want to live with my friends in one room, on bed.
Okay.
Like I want to play with my friends.
Okay.
Like that.
So are you excited about the hostel environment and you wanted to play and all
I want
that?
to go to the hostel.
You wanted to go to the hostel. Oh, nice. So like this has an extra element, right? The Bhakti Shastra. as well. Tell me more about that. So how is the schedule for that and what is that happens inside that?
Because mostly other schools mainly focus on materialistic studies like science, maths, other things. But here we learn philosophy, Sanskrit, which is the main mother language of all languages.
Yeah.
And here we develop our mental status. Like we focus on our mind and we do yoga every day. So which helps to improve our inner health.
So yogasana and all you do is okay. And what else you do for your mind, like
Like we wake up at 4 o'clock, which is very good at Brahma Muhurat.
okay. And then okay, you can elaborate your schedule
And
later.
we wake up at 4 o'clock, then we go to Mangala Aarti, and then we have chanting, and we come back, we take breakfast.
In between we do yoga also in
Oh, okay.
morning
In
after
morning.
Mangala Aarti, after japa.
After japa.
Yes.
How many rounds japa you do?
4.
4 rounds. Yes. So and then yoga and breakfast and then
Then we go to Guru Puja, and then we have academics. After we come from academics, we go to lunch, and after lunch we have other extra classes.
Extra classes like self study.
Yeah.
Then we will have
Sports, and after
Sports.
sports we again have self-study. But in this month of Kartik, we also go to
Deepdan.
Dapadar. Okay.
and then we take lunch. When we take dinner and then we sleep.
So, but when is the Bhakti Shastra start?
No, it starts in the morning.
Morning only.
Yes.
So along with academics, there will be subjects inside.
Yeah,
of
we
this.
have Shastra and Sanskrit.
Shastra and Sanskrit. Okay. Okay. And tell us more about the prasadam here. Like we had it now in the lunch,
Yeah.
so it was very nice. So do you get like every day the same type
Yeah,
of
we
prasadam?
get the same type of prasadam.
Oh,
Like
nice.
first when I came here, I didn't like the prasadam, but after that, I really love the prasadam.
Oh, okay. So you are all okay. Where is your class? Is that the class?
That's the academics building.
Academics building. And it hosts from which class to which class?
First till 12th.
First till 12th. And here?
This is our hostel.
Hostel.
This side is the juniors from first grade to 8th grade, and this is from 9th to
Senior.
12th.
Ninth grade. And what about that building?
That is like
Geeta
a,
Nagari guest
it's
house.
a guest house.
Guest house for parents?
Yes.
Yeah, parents
Oh,
and
anyone
some
can say. Oh, okay. And that is a temple, Balaram temple. So what sports you play here?
We have football,
Badminton,
basketball, volleyball,
Okay.
badminton, swimming, kho-kho, kabaddi,
Okay.
table tennis, and now we also have archery.
Archery. Oh, nice. So you have.
And archery in national.
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Oh, congratulations. So you are going to be a future Olympian. And how about like there will be a coaches separately for
Yeah,
that?
we have coaches.
Yes.
Coaches. Okay, nice. So what is your future plan like after like once you complete your 12th class? So what was your current state of mind, like what you wanted to pursue further?
I haven't thought about it, but I mostly think of hotel industry
Uh-huh.
or something about sports.
Sports. Okay. How
I
about
want to become IPS.
IPS? Oh, nice. But do you want to continue the bhakti even after going out of
Yes.
school? Yeah.
Like we should always do bhakti till the
Till then, yes. That is the main thing.
That is why we are here. To spread the message of Prabhupada.
How about your kirtan and all? Like they will teach the kirtan music instruments as well.
Like we do it every day. So if we do it every day, we remember it.
We remember it. Okay. Nice.
We have classes for Mridanga, flute and other songs.
Other
Harmonium.
specific classes.
We learn Mridanga, harmonium, kartal.
Kata, everything. Oh, nice. Nice meeting you. Hare Krishna. Thank you. Hari Bol.